In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Agile CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to add a contact, create a deal for that contact, and then use the activities, reports, and automations features when you need them. First, click Contacts. This is where Agile CRM keeps all the people and organizations you do business with. When you click Contacts, you should see a list or a section that shows existing contacts, along with options to manage them. Take a moment to make sure you are in the right area, because this is the starting point for everything else. Next, click Add Contact. This opens the form where you can enter the information for the new person or business. On the screen, look for fields such as name, company, and other basic details. Even if you do not have every piece of information right away, entering what you do have is usually enough to get started and keep your CRM organized. Then, enter the contact details. As you fill out the form, move steadily from one field to the next. If there are required fields, make sure those are completed first so the save action will work smoothly. Keep the information accurate and consistent, because it will also appear later when you create deals and track activity. If the form includes optional fields, you can include them if you have the information, but you should not rush. A clear, complete contact profile helps make the rest of your workflow faster. After you enter the details, click Save. This stores the contact in Agile CRM. You should see a confirmation, or the form may close and return you to the contacts list. Take a quick moment to ensure the new contact appears correctly in the list, since that confirms the information was recorded. Now that your contact exists, the next part is creating a deal. To do that, click Deals. Deals are used to track potential sales or business opportunities. By going to Deals, you prepare the space where you can connect a specific opportunity to the right person or company. Next, click Add Deal. This opens a new deal creation form. At this stage, you will typically add key deal information such as the deal name, value, stage, and any relevant notes. Make sure you are focused on the deal details form so you do not accidentally edit the wrong section. Then, select the contact. In the deal form, there is usually a field or selector where you link the deal to the correct person or organization. Choose the contact you just created, or select the matching contact from the dropdown. This connection matters because it ties your sales activity and reporting directly to the right individual. After selecting the contact, enter the deal details. Fill in the information that describes the opportunity. This might include the stage of the deal, expected value, and other specifics that help you track progress. If there is a stage selector, choose the stage that best matches where things currently stand. The goal here is not perfection on the first try, but clarity so you can manage the pipeline effectively. When you have entered the deal information, click Save. Agile CRM will store the deal and link it to the selected contact. You should now be able to view the deal in the Deals area. At this point, you have set up a basic but important workflow: a contact, and a connected opportunity. Finally, use activities, reports, and automations from the left menu as needed. Once your contact and deal are in place, these tools help you stay organized and take action consistently. Activities let you record tasks and follow-ups tied to your work. Reports help you understand what is happening across your pipeline. And automations support smoother processes by reducing manual steps where possible. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.